In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle denied or rejected claims in SimplePractice. If you've ever seen a claim come back with issues, don't worry. There's a clear, methodical way to review what happened and move forward with confidence. First, open SimplePractice and navigate to the Insurance section. Then select Claims. This is your command center for seeing the status of all your submissions. From here, you'll handle rejections and denials a little differently. So let's break it down. Let's start with rejected claims. A rejection usually happens before the payer fully processes the claim, often due to formatting problems or missing data. In your claims list, click on the rejected claim, then open Claim Details. Read the error message carefully. This message is typically generated by the clearinghouse or payer system and will often point to a specific field that needs attention, such as a subscriber ID that doesn't match, a date formatting issue, or a taxonomy mismatch. Take a moment to understand what it's telling you so you can address the root cause. Once you've reviewed the error and noted what needs to be fixed, delete the rejected claim from SimplePractice. Removing the rejected version helps you avoid duplicate records and ensures that when you take your next action, you're starting clean. If there's any information you want to retain for reference, jot it down before deleting. Now, for denied claims. A denial means the payer processed the claim but decided not to pay, often citing a specific policy or coverage reason. In the claims view, apply a filter to Show Denial. Then review the payer's denial reason on the payment report or the explanation of benefits, often called the EOB. Sometimes the reason is very clear, like patient not eligible on date of service. Other times it may be vague, such as non-covered or invalid, which can be frustrating. When the reason isn't clear, or even when it is, contact the payer directly. Have the claim number, dates of service, and the denial code handy so you can quickly verify details and ask for clarification on what triggered the denial. Ask the payer to explain what they need to see and whether the issue is related to benefits, coding, authorization, or eligibility. Take notes during the call so you can follow their guidance accurately. That's the process. Go to Insurance and Claims, review rejected claim details, and delete the rejected claim. And for denials, filter to Denial, read the payment report or EOB, and contact the payer for clarification. Stay patient and methodical. Clarity is your best tool.